Hi, my name is HAZIM Gaber, and we're going to continue looking at Excel data formats. So we're going to look at fractions. So we're going to format these cells as fractions. Let's scroll over to the right here. And so I formatted my cell as a fraction. And if I go in to here, we go like 1/4, it'll automatically what you'll notice is Excel doesn't store data as fractions. It stores decimals. So 1/4 is 0.25. So what's actually going on here is if I put in 0.25, Excel puts it as 1/4. If I put in 0.5, Excel does 1/2. If I put in 0.333, Excel does 1/3. If I put in 0.125, Excel does 1/8. If I don't know the decimal, I go 1/16, for example, which almost broke it, but Excel translated it into 0.0625 automatically. Whereas normally, if I type in 1/16, it'll just show up as a date because Excel thinks this is a date. And if I put in 1/16 as a number, it'll break. That's a So if I type in 1/16, it'll just round it to 0.06. But if it's a fraction, 1/16 will be 0 because Excel doesn't go past 1/16. If we go format cells, we can ask Excel how it wants to turn our fraction. So Excel is not going to give you an exact fraction. The best it can do is 3 digits. So we got 1/16. Now we've improved the precision of our formula of our formatting. So what I'm saying is, if we go here to fraction, we can choose how many digits are in the bottom part of our fraction. So we can do 1 digit. So 1 digit lets us do fractions like a quarter, a half, a third, a fifth, an eighth. 2 digits lets us do, a 25th, a 26th, a 50th. 3 digits lets us do like up to 1,000th. So we can do 999 thousandth. So if I do 3 digits, I can do 999 over 1,000, for example. I actually can't do 1,000 because 1,000 is 3 digits, but I can do, say, 1/500th. I can do like 250 500ths, but that Excel will automatically calculate that as a half. So Excel will round to the nearest fraction, I should say. So if I do a number that's like insane, Excel will just break. But if I do a number that's like 1,001 over 2,000, Excel will round that to 500 over 999, which is not accurate. So if I went, so it's 0.5005. So if I went, 1,001 over 2,000, 0.5005. Whereas if I calculate 500, 999, it's 0.5005 and some change. So it's not perfect, but it's pretty accurate. We can also go back to format cells. We can force Excel to choose the denominator. So we can tell Excel we want it displayed in hundredths, tenths, sixteenths, eighths, halves, quarters. So if I choose hundreds, now this was 1/2. It changed to 50 over 100, for example, because we're forcing Excel to not round or to not simplify our fraction. and that's okay, because we may want to know, how many hundredths our number is. So this is helpful. If you have any questions, please post a comment and we'll answer it in the next video. Thank you.